Welcome to a rejuvenating journey for your skin. Today, we're making a simple and nourishing DIY face mask. Ever thought about the wonders rice and honey can do for your skin? Grab 3 tablespoons of rice and give it a good rinse, saving the third rinse water for later. After soaking the rice for a few minutes, cook it until a creamy texture forms. Adjust water as needed. This mask is not only easy to make, but also fantastic for your skin. Now, blend the rice with 1 tablespoon of organic honey until it becomes a smooth paste. This mask is not only easy to make, but also fantastic for your skin. Apply this mixture to your face, relax, and let the natural goodness work its magic. Your skin will thank you for this easy and beneficial homemade face mask. The rice exfoliates gently, while honey adds a touch of moisture. The saved rinse water acts as a refreshing toner. Embrace the holistic approach to skincare as you unwind during this pampering session. A simple homemade face mask for radiant skin. Share your pampering moments with this mask and tag us. Let's spread the glow together. Enjoy the pampering.